everyone, my name is Hanusha Sarit Babu.
Hello, my name is Abigail and Patrick.
Hello, my name is Chandra and Anthony Salvo.
Today, we are going to talk about electrolysis.
Let's break some bonds.
You mean electrolysis?
Exactly. Water is made out of two things stuck together, hydrogen and oxygen, almost like Lego blocks.
But we are holding hands really tightly. If we want to pull them apart, we need something strong. Electricity!
So, when we use electricity to break down the water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen, it's known as electrolysis. Let us see how to set up an electrolysis model with the things that can be found in our house.
Firstly, we'll fill the container with water. Next, we'll add the kosher salt into the container. The ratio of the water to the kosher salt is 90 to 10. Then, we stir till the salt completely dissolves in the water. The cardboard is used to avoid the contact of the two carbon rods. That is because if the two rods get in contact, it will create a short circuit, disrupting the electrolysis process. Then, we insert the pencils inside the water. After that, we use crocodile wires to connect the two ends of the batteries to the pencils. As you can see, the reaction starts immediately.
We can now see that the electrolysis of water is happening. Do you know how to identify which one is oxygen gas and hydrogen gas? As you can see, more bubbles are produced around the pencil bead. Since the water molecules contain more hydrogen, this reaction proves that pencil B generates hydrogen gas. So obviously, the bubbles around pencil A is oxygen gas. Hydrogen gases are generated at the negative terminal, while the oxygen gases are generated at the positive terminal.
Water isn't just a liquid. It's made of millions of tiny molecules. Each water molecule is made up of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. That's why we write it as H2O. But to break these molecules, we need electricity. Once we fix a battery to the two electrodes which was placed in the water, electricity started to flow. The positive electrode's name is anode, while the negative electrode is called as cathode. The electricity produced will cause the anode to lose electrons that flow to cathode. This process leaves hydrogen ions float freely in the water. These hydrogen ions will gain the electrons that flow through the cathode. This process eventually releases oxygen gas in the anode and hydrogen gas in the cathode. This experiment can be also done using carbon rods from a used battery. Now that's electrolysis.
So science is cool, right?
Thanks for watching. You can try this experiment at home with adult version.